Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to create an Instacart account. So the first step is to simply go to instacart.com, or if you want you can simply download their official app on Google Play Store or App Store. So after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply click or tap on the sign up button. As you can see on the website, you have this in the top right corner. And then here you're gonna have to choose how would you like to create your account. So if you want, you can use your Google or Facebook account, or you can use your phone number, or simply enter your email address here and then simply click on continue. So after you do that, so I'm gonna use my Google account for this tutorial. So all you have to do now is simply wait and then simply enter your address, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.